now let's look at number 52 here. Okay, and let's make this a little bit bigger. We are dividing, so we're going to end up multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to take this one, I'm going to rewrite it. We have r minus 5 times r plus 5 all over r plus 10. That one we leave the same. We change it to multiply by the reciprocal of this. So it would be 6 times r plus 10 all over 5 minus r. So 5 minus r and r plus 5. Okay, so these are already in factored form, so we can cancel factors. R plus 5s will cancel. My r plus 10s will cancel. Okay, so I'm going to write it down. I have this 6 and this r minus 5. I'm going to put it as 6 times r minus 5. And then on the bottom I have 5 minus r. Now, I can't just cross out the r minus 5 and 5 minus r. They're what we call opposites of each other. Okay, in other words, the 5's got, here is positive, here it's negative. The r here is negative, here it's positive. So if I factor a negative 1 out on the bottom, that would leave me with negative 5 plus r. Now, negative 5 plus r and r minus 5 are the same. This could be written as r minus 5. So by taking that negative 1 out, now I can cancel my r minus 5 factors. I have 6 divided by negative 1, which equals negative 6, and that's the answer to that problem. Now let's go on to 9, and let's focus in on that. Excuse me. I'm going to take, and I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so this is going to be 4m squared divided by 5. And I have m plus 7 there. We are now in multiplication. I'm going to factor this trinomial on the bottom. So I want a product of 56, and I want a sum of 15. So that would be 7 and 8. Now remember, when a is 1, I kind of told you the little shortcut. You don't have to go through the whole process of splitting this term. So basically 7 and 8 are what's going to go in my two binomials. So it's m and m plus 7 plus 8. Now let's look at what cancels. So I've got all this on top. My m plus 7, m plus 8, and my 5 on the bottom. So m plus 7's cancel. So here's what I'm left with on top. 4m squared over, I have 5 times m plus 8. I'm going to write the 5 down in front and put the m plus 8 after. Now, one comment, if there would have been a common factor of these two numbers, because this is a monomial on top, I could have been able to reduce that, but there is no common factor other than 1 for that. But let's say the bottom here, let's say this would have been a 6, well then I can reduce the 4 over 6 because that's a monomial on top and a monomial out in front of a binomial.